How are you viewers? This one S class 2015 from 222. I replace this for engine. This engine for brand new. This for expansion tank from turbo. This one for tuned turbo engine. This for throttle and this for intercooler. This for oil and to water. This for hose for turbo. Twin hose for turbo. This for AC compressor. This is for all-time adjuster from Teschner. Like see this for all new. Complete engine for new. This for complete connector with all. This for thermostat. Is for upside for temperature, for inside the engine water. This for complete filter body. This for air filter. See, this for completed for twin and turbo. One side not working, for twin turbo in both side working. This for down for alternator. Leakage see for this outside for connecting this water in round from radiator. This for small vacuum pump from like intake. Connect with intake. This for complete for 6-cylinder engine. This for connector for computer. One like see this with coming from transmission. This for like बिल्कुल brand new engine from Mercedes. Like see this chest and complete from Mercedes. This for tri-wheel and trim and barcode. This for oxygen connector with exhaust.